Today topic is number system. We see the number system from the first term book. I had taught this topic in the class. Now I recall this topic because it's very helpful to go to the 8th standard portion. All of us to know about number line. The number line means numbers we see on the line is called number lines. We had studied in the earlier classes natural number and whole number. The natural number or counting number start from 1 to infinitive. It's denoted by capital N. The natural number along with 0 is called the whole number. It is denoted by W. Whole number and the negative number together the integers. It is denoted. The whole number, again I tell you, the whole number and the negative number together is called the integers. It is denoted by Z. The right hand side of 0 having the positive integer, on have left hand side of 0 negative integer. 0 has no sign. The numbers on the right hand side is always greater than the number on left hand side. Now I give some example for this statement. -7 and +5. The 5 is on the right hand side of -7. So +5 is greater than -7. So we put the symbol like this way. Next one, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. The 4 is on right hand side of +1. So the 4 is greater than 1, +1. Next one example, 0 and -2. 0 and -2. 0 is on right hand side of -2. So 0 is greater than -2. One more example, -2 and -6. -2 and -6. -2 on right hand side of -6. So -2 is greater than -6. Next topic, operation on integers. We have 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition of integers. In addition of integers we have 3 conditions. First one, when both the integers are positive, the sum is positive. Here 5 and 3 are positive integer, the sum is positive. The second one, when 2 negative integers are added, their sum is also negative. Here -4 negative, -3 also negative, their sum also negative. Okay, then third one condition, when one integer is positive and the other, when one integer is positive and the other is negative integer, take the difference of the absolute value and assign the sign of the number having greater absolute value. So here put the sign minus, greater sign. Okay, again I tell the third condition. When one condition is negative integer, other one is positive integer, we get the difference between the absolute value and assign the sign of the number having the greater absolute value. Okay, or you want second operation, subtraction. Subtraction of integer. Subtraction of an integer from another integer is the same as addition. So it's only one difference, the second number with the additive inverse of the first. Okay, or you understand? I tell again, the subtraction of integer is the same as addition. Only one condition is differ with the addition. The second integer with the additive inverse of the first integer. Okay, are you understand? I explained that. Here subtract 93 from 49. the first integer is 49, no change. The second integer should be the additive inverse of the first. The additive inverse of 93 is minus 93. Now subtract this both the numbers, 49 plus minus 93, we get minus 44. Okay. Then the third operation, multiplication. The multiplication of integer when the product of two positive integer is a positive integer. Here first condition means the product of two positive integer is a positive integer. Here plus 8 is positive, plus 9 also positive. It gives the result also positive. So the product of two positive integer is positive. Then second condition, the product of two negative integer is also positive. Okay, here minus 7 is negative and minus 9 is also negative. It gives the positive integer. So both the same signs gives the positive integer. Okay, then final condition, when the product of a positive and a negative integer is negative, we get the different sign. The two numbers having the different sign, minus 5 multiply with plus 8, it gives a negative sign. Okay, we mind it, the integers without sign represent the positive integer. This statement is, see here, 8 into 9, the both the integers comes without sign. So we assume that 8 and 9 having a positive integers. Okay, are you understand? Division of integers. The division of integers also same as the multiplication of integers. Okay, minus 18 divided by minus 2 gives a positive integer. So when the quotient of two integers gives negative integers gives the positive integers. Likewise, plus 6 divided by plus 3, it gives the positive integer plus 2. Then third one, plus 36 divided minus 4. So one integer is positive, the another one is minus integer, it gives the negative integers. Okay, then final one is the very important point, 19 divided by minus 3 gives minus 19 by 3. In division, the quotient of two integers may or may not be an integers. Here these first two condition gives an integers, the third condition not give an integers, because the division of two integers may or may not lead to an integer.